If you're a teacher with a group of young students and you want to use Fusion during lesson time, you want to get them all logged in quickly, and there's a way you can do that with Fusion. You click on your school logo, you choose a colour, and you choose an animal. And then the students choose themselves from a list. This is what we call group login, and I'll show you how to set it up. I'm logged in as a teacher, and I go to my class to set up the group login. This is the group that I'd like to set up group login for. I go to the Group Options menu and choose Manage Settings and scroll to the bottom. Your group will already have a group login by default. So at the moment this is set as Red B and it runs for 10 minutes, so that when I switch on the group login, for 10 minutes the students can log in with Red B. I can change all these settings. I just click on Group Login and I'm going to change it to Yellow B, and I'm going to change it to 20 minutes, and that gives me a bit longer at the start of the lesson to get everybody logged in. And I'll save changes. So now my group login is set as Yellow B for 20 minutes. To activate this, all I have to do is click on this timer. And when I click on that, you can see it's changed to a green arrow, and for the next 20 minutes the students in this group can log in using a colour and an animal. So let's try and log in as Harry James. I'll log out as a teacher, click on the school logo, Yellow B, choose your name from the list, and I'm logged in as Harry. From now on, when I want to set group login running, all I do is I go into my classes, go to the class menu and settings, and click on the timer to start it running. So that's how to set up group login in Fusion.